Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Anshika and finally summers are back and we all want to wear short dresses and short clothes, but not every time it is possible. Not everyone can wear short dresses and short clothes in summers, but don't worry. Today I am here to help you guys and telling you 5 outfit ideas for your summers for college, coaching or any other outing. These 5 outfits can easily be available in your wardrobe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. But before moving to the actual video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. If you are new here, then please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel for more such amazing videos. So for the very first outfit, I am using here a long cotton kurti which I have got from my local market. I am using here a dark brown printed kurti, but if you are having something colorful in your wardrobe, so you need to wear that because it's summer. Summer is all about colors, so try some bright colors like yellow, green, orange, etc. And for the earrings, I am using here simple golden rings just to give a traditional touch. So yeah, here your first outfit is ready and you can use this outfit for your college or for any other traditional event or anything. For the second look, all you need is one denim jeans and one basic t-shirt. I think everyone have this in their wardrobe. No need to go and buy it. You can use any denims. I am using here a denim jeans which I have bought from Shein, and for the t-shirt I am wearing this Wringer t-shirt in black color because black t-shirt can be paired with any sort of denim. So every girl should have at least one basic black t-shirt. I've got this black t-shirt from my local store. You can use any other black t-shirt or any other t-shirt. Just to give a nice touch to this outfit, you need to follow 2 steps. Firstly, tuck your t-shirt inside your denim to look more stylish. Secondly, I am using here one scarf around my neck to give a more classy look. For the hairstyle, I have created this messy bun. You can create any other such hairstyles. This outfit can be used everywhere, from college to normal hangouts with friends or any other outings. For the third outfit, I am using here plain black top and pairing this plain black top with these parallel palazzo pants. You can use any other plazos because plazos are really comfortable, and in summers all we need is comfort. Use any light color plazo and pair it with any t-shirt or top. For the earrings, I am using here big hoop earrings that will make your outfit fourth outfit, again I am using this plain black top, and this time I am pairing this plain black top with this casual pant. I have got this pant from a local store and I need to say this that they are damn comfortable. Pants are really important in summers, and if you are looking for some comfortable outfit, then this is the right one. Just to make this outfit more classy, I am using this bright color scarf around my neck, and you can see how good it looks. Always try to add something new in your outfit, and scarves are always helpful for this work. So you need to have at least one scarf. You can carry this outfit to your college, parties, lunch, shopping, everywhere. For the fifth outfit, I am using here frock type knee length kurti. I guess this is one of the best outfit for summers. If you are looking for something new, this is the right one. This kurti is cotton based and I have taken this kurti from my local market. Just to give a nice touch, I have done two things. Firstly, I am wearing these jhumkas that I have got from one of the Instagram page called Heritage Handicraft. They have some amazing collection. You need to go and check their page. Link will be in the description box. Secondly, I am wearing this headband which is light pink in color and that adds a shine to my outfit. And this I have bought from Shein. And this makes a complete look. You can carry this look everywhere, and also if you are not comfortable wearing this kurti alone, then you can pair this kurti with any leggings. And yeah, your outfit will be ready. So these 5 outfit ideas can easily be carried out without short clothes. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also tell me in the comment section that which outfit idea you like the most. Till then, thank you so much for watching.